Okay, Math 8, this is going to be part 2 of Chapter 7, Section 1 on square roots. This is evaluating the actual expressions that have square roots in them. What I'm going to be showing you is how to basically just show your work. Okay, this is review, and also feel free to stop the video at any time. So what I'm doing here is I'm asking myself, what are the factors for the square root of 144? So that's going to be 12 times 12. And so that's going to be the square root of 144. That's going to be 12. So now I have 2 times 12 minus 130. I'm sorry, minus 30, excuse me. Order of operations, we've simplified this expression, this grouping symbol. Now we're going to do the multiplication because from left to right, multiplication is before subtraction. But as I said, that's from left to right, okay? Some kids tend to make a mistake doing this. And then 24 minus 30 is negative 6. Again, feel free to stop the video when you need to, okay? Same thing on example B. We're just going to find the factors, or determine the factors, excuse me. So 36 is 6 times 6. And then 4 is 2 times 2. And still plus 1 over 6. So the square root of 36 over 4 is 6 over 2 plus 1 over 6. Now we can't add these unlike fractions. We need to make them alike. So this is where we start talking about the least common denominator. 3 initials that you need to remember for a very long time while you're taking math classes. So the least common denominator of 2 and 6 is 6. So we're going to multiply this factor pair by, I'm sorry, I said factor pair, excuse me. We're going to multiply that fraction by 3 over 3. And so what we're going to get is 18 over 6 plus 1 over 6. And you can just add your numerators at this point. And so that's going to be 19 over 6. And since we're not talking about a shape, a geometric shape, we could leave that answer. But remember, in the future, if your teachers ask you to change it, okay, then feel free to know how to do that. 19 divided by 6 is 3 with 1 left over. That's not actually simplifying, by the way. That's just changing it to another equal form. Okay, now getting back to that phrase of order of operations, there's a couple ways to solve this, but if we just follow order of operations, which means let's simplify the grouping symbol first. The square root of 49 will give you a pair of factors, which is 7. Okay, so the square root of 49 is the square root of 7 times 7. Therefore, the square root of 49 is 7. But this has an exponent of 2, so then we have 49 minus 49, and so 49 minus 49 is 0.